Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So, this is the day after the jobs in the kitchen and living room. Most of it's been done. So, a lot of cleaning afterwards, and I'm still uploading videos that were programmed videos. So, I thought that, I can put the bodywork back on the tram. Then I remembered that I have to fit the route in, they make the new route indicator, so why let's not do it together. So as you saw in a previous video, I've already cut the disc. Here it is, using the belt punch, so that's easy. Now we have to cut a little triangular shape to put under here. So I'm getting my close-up enlarging glasses on, and we'll just take a few, this way I'll show you how it works. We'll just take a few measurements and write it down on a bit of paper. Okay, so the base is 3 millimeters base, so we have a 3 millimeter base. It's always good to make a wee drawing. Oh, this pencil needing sharpened. This is rubbish. Let's use this one. This is a pencil I use for writing notes. And there's somebody with a noisy scooter out there. So 3 millimeters here, and let's see. This part, I think we're going to have to release the bow collector to do this. Okay. Hypotenuse I would say 2. Okay, that and a half, and we want it 2 millimeters. This isn't a precision technical drawing, it's just a technical sketch. So that's 2 there. Right, very well. I wouldn't be getting good marks for technical drawing at school. Okay, having done that, we will now get a piece of styrene, a clipping, and see what we've got in this wee box of clippings. Something that's an absolutely useless shape, it wouldn't be useful for anything else, like that one. Let's see. In fact, what I had to do, and this is a demonstration at my 2 millimeters here, let's say 2, so the height here is 2, forgot about that, so it's a thing like that, 3 and 2. Okay, and it happens that this is also 2. Righto, let's mark this on here. So we want a 3. And it's always better to be a little bit over dimensioned when you're making scratch built parts, because then anyway a wee bit spot of filing and things. See if I can get my pal here like that. Bit thicker. Okay. And then we want to go cutter Oops. Okay, that can go back in there, and is this a 3? Yes, and we'll go 1.5. Oops, okay, and now we calculate 2 here. Okay, we said 2, three, 2, okay, and now we want to cut the triangular shape. We just go down here diagonal. I hope you can see what I'm doing, because it's not really... Can I zoom in? Oh, yes. I zoomed in a bit. One. And the other bit. Okay. And there's our very small, I'm putting it here on a green background. This way you can see it. This is our small triangle, right there. There it is. Okay, so this small triangle, which is really, this is a case of modeling the invisible, but you want to replicate the thing as much as possible. So that will be like that. 1 and 2. And I'll mount these on a piece of a short length of copper wire, thicker copper wire. There we are. And then fit them into the roof, in a hole in the roof there. Where are we? Right there. And that way it'll sit nicely. So that was a little technical video. Very, very technical. I suppose this appeals more to us modelling rivet counters than to the general public. I know that train videos are always the most satisfying ones, but I can't make, sadly I can't produce train running videos every day. I'd like to. Okay, cheerio, and see you next time.